Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be decluttering my Project Pan stuff and just other makeup. I really wanted to do Project Pan, but it's being really wasteful of me and it's taking my attention off other makeup that I could be using. So I'm either going to throw it away because it's too old or pass it on. So let's get started. So we're at the Vanity. I just moved the mirror over there. It's kind of a mess, so I guess we're going to be cleaning it too. And I was just on FaceTime, so my phone's like that. So this is what we are going to try to get through, this one, and then I'm going to go through my drawers to see what else. So let's get started. Okay, let's go through this stuff, okay?
Okay, okay.
You said you wanted this, right?
Uh-huh.
And this. I'm cleaning it. What about this? It's a highlighter palette.
Open it. Honestly, I really don't use highlighters, so you can give that to somebody that actually does.
Okay. Not that. My sister, and she's going to be taking the Essence Sun Club bronzer, the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. I love this, but I have like 5 of them. The Luna by Luna lip gloss. This thing tastes and smells disgusting. And this Too Faced Sweet Peach Perfect palette. With y'all. So my sister is gonna be taking this Tarte blush in Surprised. She is a little bit of a darker skin tone than me. She's more of a medium tan skin tone, so this blush will look really good on her. She's taking the Luna Gloss, the NYX Matte Lipstick in London, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. This is like too dark on me. The Essence Sun Club bronzer, the Kat Von D powder, and the Too Faced Sweet Peach. And my mom is going to be taking the Tarte Salt Life lipstick. Okay, so now we have an empty drawer. And I'm just going to go through this and pull out what I want and stuff that I'm going to offer to friends and stuff that I'm going to throw away that's just no good anymore. So, I'm going to be keeping the Dual Action Moisturizer. The e.l.f. Matte and Oil Control Primer is maybe, so I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to be keeping the Maybelline Super Skin Foundation. The Trolls beauty powder, which I have no clue what this is, so I'm just going to keep it. I don't want anyone else to be confused by it. I'm going to keep the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I'm going to toss the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It is basically gone. I can't even squeeze anything out of this, so that's trash. This Cella brow cream with the brush on one end. This is trash. This thing the brow cream got so dried up so fast. So that's trash. I'm going to keep this Hard Candy Brows Now little palette. I love this. So this Smashbox highlighter palette is supposed to be the one with Casey Holmes. And I think I'm just going to pass this on. And someone else will get some good use out of it. So I'm going to try to clean it up, so I could offer it to my friend. See if she wants it. So I got trash. This AOA Studio Perfect setting powder, I'm going to keep this. I'm also going to keep the Wet n Wild contouring palette along with this Bare Minerals. I'm going to keep the Touche Éclat because I'm almost done with that. Trash this Kat Von D. This thing was crap since the beginning. It just like breaks and it's so dry and crusty, so that thing's trash. I'm going to keep this lipstick from Milani, the Matte Naked 61. And I'm going to keep this LA Colors brow pomade in soft brown. This thing is actually pretty good. So, and then I have these blushes. I'm actually going to offer these to a friend. I have Tarte Supreme and Tarte Stellar. So I'm going to give those to a friend. So I just went through all this. I'm going to do this one for my skincare. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on that. I might put a mixture of things in here that I want to use more. So I definitely want to use more of the Ace Beauté glitter eyeshadows. Those are really beautiful. Put all this away. Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation in here. I want to try to use that up more. The Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup, the color corrector, and 2 concealers. Okay, so it's the next day, and I just threw all this stuff back together. I decided to get rid of these 2 lip glosses. These are from Wet n Wild. They're the Zodiac ones in Cancer and Gemini. And I'm going to give these both to my sister. And then I'm also going to throw away this Revolution mascara that's really old. So I'm going to go back and organize all this and then clean my vanity. And then I also moved all my set-in sprays right here because they were back there and I couldn't reach them. So I just put them all right here, and I gotta figure out where to put this stuff at. So, get started. So this is what it looks like. And it looks really good, honestly. I did clean out my drawers too, so everything looks pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.